Hi there, I'm Vlad, and you might know me from the Bitcoin Takeover podcast. If you saw me at conferences this year, then you know that I wear Maison MAACHI clothes. And if you don't believe me, check out maisonmaachi.com and you're gonna see pictures of me because apparently I'm their model. The problem is that the winter came and I couldn't wear their t-shirts anymore because it's too cold. And they decided to fix this problem, and I went to the post office today. I picked this up. It's a bag. I got this bag from Trezor, actually. It's very useful for shopping. So thank you, Trezor, for sending me this beautiful bag that I can use for other stuff. And I also got some fashion items from Maison MAACHI. As you can see here, you're not supposed to see my address, but as you can see here, I got some clothes. And I'm gonna change this boring Bitcoin hoodie with something that's actually designer made in France. And it's fancy. And look at this, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. I wish you could have a point of view of the packaging. Even the paper says MAACHI on it. And this should be a hoodie. And I also have something extra here because Camille, the girl who is in charge of Maison MAACHI, likes to take it to the next level, to walk that extra mile. And I'm gonna do some magic right now. And after I unwrap these from their packaging, you're gonna see me getting changed into the new clothes because it's a new season. I'm supposed to wear warmer clothes. And I like Maison MAACHI. So in the first package we have a t-shirt most likely. I have to remove this unicorn sticker. And let me hold the microphone like this. I hope you don't mind it. So that I can take away this wrapping. And what we have here is a Pizza Day t-shirt. That's right, there's a Pizza Day t-shirt that's being made by Maison MAACHI. And it's the Satoshi's Vision pizza that's being depicted here with jalapenos and pineapple. Satoshi Nakamoto famously said on Bitcoin Talk that his favorite type of pizza includes pineapple and jalapenos. And as you can see, this design is a tribute to Satoshi's favorite kind of pizza. It has jalapenos, it has pineapple. I hope I'm pointing to the right piece, but the salami, the meat of the entire pizza, is the Bitcoin. And it's green, so it looks very fancy and exotic. And you'll see me wearing this at conferences. But this is only the bonus, of course, because the main event and the whole point of this delivery was to get a hoodie made by Maison MAACHI. And I'm going to unwrap this and show you what the hoodie looks like. And much more than that, I'm gonna put it on so you can see if it fits me. Because that's a big part of the whole point of Bitcoin fashion, to have something that looks good on you. Otherwise, what's the point? So I'm gonna take this slowly out of its packaging. And what we have here is a hoodie. As you can see, the design is all black. It's very high quality cotton and it has the Maison MAACHI logo here on the chest. So, Mr. Unicorn, what do you think? Should I put you on? I think that's a yes. Alright, I'm back. I put this hoodie on. I messed up my hair and I had to fix it quickly for the camera. So I have this Maison MAACHI hoodie. What I can tell you is that it feels more comfortable than the hoodie I was wearing before. The material is super nice. It feels great. And I like the old black design. I'm gonna be wearing this for my winter interviews. And I have this fancy unicorn logo which told me that yes, I should be trying this on. And the only change that I would make right now is to iron it so it looks, smooth on me. But I don't think it's a big deal. I like it very much. It fits well on my shoulders. I'm not sure about the size. I had to take my measurements. So I don't think Maison MAACHI has this one-size-fits-all approach to their clothes. You have to send them the measurements, and I think that's pretty cool because they tailor make everything for your body. And as for the Pizza Day t-shirt, if they make another Pizza Day conference at Parallel Nipolis in Prague, you'll see me wearing this because it's super appropriate. It's exactly what you should be wearing on Pizza Day, which is a Bitcoiner celebration. It's in late spring, so it should be hot enough to be wearing t-shirts. But until then, I very much like this hoodie, and I would like to thank Camille and her brother for sending me these, because I'm their model right now, which is strange. But it's super cool to be a nerd who's wearing designer clothes. So thank you guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the Bitcoin Takeover podcast and listen, because season 15 is really on fire. Check it out. You have a lot to learn. Merry Christmas. I've also asked my Persian girlfriend to check out the Maison MAACHI hoodie, and she said it feels lightweight and also fancy and expensive.
Yes, I have this vibe that I wear some fancy clothes. You should send two, not one. I need one. It's mine. But yeah, it's really great. 10 of 10. 10.
She says it's a 10 out of 10, and she also tried the hoodie I was wearing before and said me that was an 8.
Yeah, it's 10. And look how it's cool. I like this. It's not cool. It's cool. It's different. It's not a normal one. And I like this feeling that I have this vibe that I wear something fancy and expensive. I don't know why, but because of the material, I think, maybe. But it's really cool. Thank you guys for my new hoodie.
Maison MAACHI.
Maison MAACHI. Maison MAACHI, you know this. It's a reality. Reality that when you send something to the guys, it's not for the guys, it's for their girlfriend. So it's for me. Send another one for Vlad. Thank you. I like it. You can't wear this in the next conference, sorry. But